Hi everyone! I'll show you how to remove hard gel nails safely and how to prep your nails properly in this video. After watching this tutorial, you'll be able to fix your manicure without any damage. First of all, I remove the old hard gel with the cutter at a speed of 25 to 35,000 revolutions. Then I prepare the nail plate and file the shape of the nail and the surface with a 150 grit file. The cuticle is raised at 50 to 20,000 revolution using F. Then I cut the cuticle with nippers. I wipe the nails with an alcohol solution. After that, I start the process of applying a new coating. I apply Bond Control Exceed-Free Primer. The Scotch base I apply in a thin line by rubbing it into the nail. Dry in a lamp for 1 minute. Then we lay out a hard gel with apex alignment in the stress zone of the nail plate. Dry each nail for 1 minute. When all nails are covered, dry both hands together for 2 minutes. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 And now we apply color plus design according to the client's wishes. When we apply the color with a thin bond, we bring it under the cuticle, so the nails looks better and the client can wear the nails longer than usual. I applied 2 layers of colored gel. Dry each nail for 1 minute in a lamp. When all nails are covered, dry both hands together for 2 minutes. I apply Protect Glow Top and dry in lamp for 1 minute. At the end, apply cuticle oil.